Viking Oven Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specialize in Viking oven repair, Viking wall oven repair, Viking double oven repair, Viking gas oven repair, Viking electric oven repair, along with all other Viking oven models. If your Viking has a temperature problem, or your oven light is out, or your oven won't turn on, maybe your oven has a self-cleaning problem, or your oven won't turn off, maybe the oven door needs repaired, or the fan keeps running, whatever your problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.